Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Let's try to kill off this page kit. I used it already once. We have some fun things left, but I do have two photos that I want to get on there. So let's mat with that. Oh. I like that one. Let's do that. And we have that for later. So how is everybody? Remember that these are the page kits that I created to go on crops, but then I missed the big crop. It happens. It really does. So let's just come in. We'll trim a very, very little smidge of each side. So that wasn't straight. I don't care who you are. It's as straight as it's gonna get. Okay. So, what has everybody been up to? I have finally started feeling better, and just using Upstash has been really the focus as of lately. Okay, so this is from She Loves Color. We went to their Lantern Festival. It was really fun. I believe we're going back this year too. This year's She Loves Color is going to be quite eventful because one of my good friends, Laura, realized that Pink was going to be in concert at the same time, so we are going to the concert. I believe that's, I don't even remember. I think it's Wednesday night, like the night we get there, so I gotta make sure that I get there in time. So that one on there. That one on there. We're going to trim this down and go through what we have over here. Title's going to be fishes, and we're going to make a layout. So let me trim these down and look through that, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got this little piece down here. I've got this popped up on foams because it's sitting there. Let's take tuck that one in there because we're going to pop. This is vellum tape. It actually works. It's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. But today, like, you really can't see it. We've got the You Are the Artist of Your Own Life, and I did scuff up the edges of the whoosh. And then we're gonna do today fishies. Why? I don't really know. Sometimes things make more sense. In my head. Oh, I don't know if that's gonna fit on there. It's not. So it was just. Well, that's unfortunate. That really stuck down there, didn't it? Oh, come on. Okay. Just move this guy over. Then we've got the I, and then the F comes in. And there we go. Today, fishy. We can do this little story behind the photo. Oh, those guys are gonna have to get used. And these little guys, I'm just gonna sprinkle around. They're little fishy bubbles. It seemed to make sense in my head when I did it. Let's put one there. And we'll put one there. And we'll tuck one over there. We'll add in a few hearts. And I don't know, you think we can get this on here? Because it really, you know, it's a bicycle with balloons. Where else am I going to use it? And it's all right. That's gonna do it, you guys. So we're just using up more stash, getting some pictures done from She Loves Color, because in like a month and a half we're coming up on doing it again. And I've got so many pictures coming from Germany, Paris, Europe, or London. That's all Europe. We're going to South Dakota. We're going to New Orleans. I'm going to She Loves Color, Pink, more China Lights. So much stuff is happening. Me and Jamie are planning a December trip. Maybe head to Chicago and just see some Christmas stuff. That'll be fun, like a little long weekend. So yeah. So that's gonna do it, you guys. A little catch up there at the end. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and this is all I have left. And so I do keep these and just kind of roll them over to the next kit in here, which is this thing right here. It's not really a kit, it is just you know, what we got left over. Actually, there's a half-done layout in there. Excuse me. Or one that I couldn't fit on a page. I'm almost positive because I see a photo. So, and then whatever's left, you know, we just look at maybe making another page kit or something, but it'll be fine. So this is another one done. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.